This cart is awesome. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh. You have to excuse the lighting. It's early in the morning, the sun just came up. Man, I love this cart. Oh, so nice. Which way does it go? Okay, this is the stand for my lathe, and this is the front. I've cleared out a space here, and I want the front to be on that side. So I gotta come in. All right, doesn't sound too bad. Plenty of space. Actually, it kind of fits in here, barely, right up against that pillar. Not touching it, but almost. Yeah, okay. Those occasions where it's kind of a two-person job. I don't have another person to do it. I can lift this with one hand, though. That should be fine. Right on a piece of wood. Alright, nice and stable. It's a good spot, plenty of working room. Alright, now I just need to get the lathe up here. And the lathe weighs significantly more than this thing. Alright. Oh, right now it's raining. And there's a drip that used to be right over here, a really annoying one. Like right there. And it's totally gone. Every week or so I'll get a cloudy day and I'll go put up some roof tiles. And I guess the last batch of roof tiles covered that leak. Beauty. Oh, all right, lathe. Haha. Yeah. I think I just need to put a big board coming down here, get the lathe over to the board, just drag that sucker up. That's how I got it up last time, and that's how I got it off. So I'm just gonna shut up and do it. Wonder if the sun's coming out today. Actually, it's not a bad thing because we need rain. It hasn't rained in like 2 weeks. Hopefully I can move this. Oh, nice work. Well, how are you going to get those boards out of there? Oh, please. Nice work. Where did I put all the bolts and stuff? Okay, everything connected, plugged in. Come on, work, work, work. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can go backwards. Oh, beautiful. All right, I can put all the pieces on now. Oh, that's exciting news. All right, I got my metal lathe right there. My milling machine is sitting on the floor right there. It goes where that thing my chainsaw is on is. But right now, that's my step to get upstairs to the roof. So I need to finish the roof before I move that. And then I need to make some kind of super table for this milling machine to go on right there. And then I'll have a whole machine shop super zone. Oh, that's going to be exciting. Oh, the giant robot I'm going to make when I get this thing all together. And finish like 20 other things that I need to finish before I can do the fun stuff. I mean, everything's fine. It's just, you know. Oh, I should probably show back here. It probably doesn't look like it from over there, but there's plenty of space. And this is just stuff that's going to get out of the way. So this is where the milling machine's going to go, and then plenty of space between that and the lathe here. I mean, plenty of space once I move this junk out of the way. This is just a roll of fiberglass and a couple other things. And some of the stuff can go in my little cupboard here.